Right, I'm over on the Glitter Walls UK. I'm speaking to Ashley. True to my word, I'm coming to the show and I'm trying to find these innovative products that are a little bit different that you might not have seen before. We've all seen loads of brushes, we've all seen loads of rollers, but when it's nice when this company's actually at the show that there is something a little bit different that I've not seen. So I'm going to talk to Ashley. He's going to talk us through what the product is, and I'll do a link in the description below on the timestamp. So if you want to know a little bit more about the product, you can actually click the link there and go straight through to their website. So let's spin the camera around and we'll talk to Ashley and he'll tell us all about it. Over to you, Ashley. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
So, Glitter Walls UK is a UK manufacturer of glitter wallpaper. It is solely manufactured in the UK, down to in Portsmouth. We have a web store that we sell from, which comes in two widths, 70 centimetres, which is sold in denominations of 5 metres, and the 140 centimetre, which is sold by the metre. So if you're decorating for a customer, you don't have any excess. Generally speaking, a metre of this costs £28.95. At the Decorator show, we are giving 10% discounts to all decorators for life. But yeah, it's a product that widely imported, but ultimately this is UK made. This is the best quality. This doesn't shed. It comes with no salvage edge, so you can bud up. Some people still prefer to overlap and slice, but that's absolutely fine. This can be budded if you're just a home decorator. But yeah, it's a great product.
As a professional painter and decorator, I do hang wallpaper. I'm going to ask the question.
Yeah, absolutely.
Is it paste the wall?
It's paste to wall, yes, absolutely.
It's paste the wall. How easy is it to cut? What do you cut it with? Yep. And let's face it, what do the joints look like if they butt joint?
Yeah, absolutely. So we cut it in the factory with a standard Stanley blade. We don't have anything special. It does take a little bit of elbow grease to get it cut. Nothing crazy though. Any decorator could easily cut through this. The joins, these aren't representative of the joins because we've actually bent round our stand here. This isn't a wall, this is wood behind us. So
I mean, that looks good doing it like that, but in the real world of Mrs. Smith's lounge, you're not going to do that.
No, you wouldn't do that. You wouldn't bend it around at all. You would bud it together or overlap and slice, and then ultimately we have a video on our YouTube channel which shows the overlap and slice, and it shows that the joins come together really nicely. As long as you follow the instructions and hang in the same direction, because there's no pattern, it does come together really well.
Is this something I need to be reviewing on my YouTube channel, everybody? Give us some comments below if you think Phil Beckwith, the professional painter and decorator, ought to be trying this in his own house and Mrs. B having a bit of a nightclub lounge. Let's just put it that way. But I think this looks brilliant. In the right environment, in the right cinema room, in the right bathroom, or anywhere you want to use it, I think this has got legs, shall I say.
Absolutely. And for commercial use also in salons, nightclubs, it has so many uses, not just at home, but commercially as well.
I think if you've got a hairdresser salon, nail bars and things like that, I mean this colour here, it's got Julian Clary written all over it, if anybody remembers who Julian Clary was. But no, I love it. No. Thank you very much for taking the time to tell me about it.
No worries, thanks for coming to visit.
Thank you.